Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's podcast. This is Hussam Iftikhar and I'm the head of professional qualifications at TMUC Pakistan. So आज के podcast में we have two very special guests जो कि मेरे लिए तो एक बहुत बड़ी inspiration है. I'll start off with the traditional ladies first. Mariam, who's the head of financial and operational audits at Jazz. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So, and the second one is my favorite. So he's been my student for the past, I guess, 5 years, and I've seen him grow throughout his career, and that's something that I want the children to learn, कि अपना career कैसे बनाना. So he's a perfect example of that. So I welcome Zishan to the podcast. Thank you for your time, Zishan. So I'll just briefly tell you कि आज हम किस लिए जमा हुए हैं, हमने क्या करना है और हमारा मकसद क्या है इस vlog अपना podcast का. So the purpose is to basically tell the students के what actually the ACCA journey looks like. Or what are the do's and don'ts actually. And सबसे important thing जो subscription है जो मैंने affiliate बनने के बाद नहीं भरी थी और फिर मुझे भरनी पड़ गई थी क्योंकि मुझे इसकी importance का नहीं पता था. So हमने अपने students को वो बताना है कि उसकी importance क्या है और वो क्यों इतनी important है, उससे क्या फ़ायदे होते हैं. Of course नुकसान तो नहीं होगा उसका. So yes. So Mariam, would you like start off with your introduction? कैसा था आपका journey और how did you like land up in ACCA? Why ACCA actually? जो मुझे लोग बहुत पूछते हैं. So yeah.
Okay. First of all, thank you, Assam, and thank you to TMUC for having me over.
No problem.
It is always great at this stage in my career to be able to inspire young students and future ACCA members. My journey is a very interesting one. I remember when I was in A-levels only. A bunch of people came from the local ACCA office in Karachi, and I was in Beacon House at that time, and there was this lady, I remember her name was Amna Butt, and she did an amazing small presentation. And until then हम सिर्फ यही जानते थे कि पाकिस्तान में चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी होती है, और ACCA उस वक्त काफ़ी नया था, back in 2007-06 की मैं आपको बात बता रही हूँ. And she came, and I would say that she changed at least half of our lives. Right after that session, I remember half of my batch members all of us who were going to go for CA, converted to ACCA. So I'd say that ACCA has done an amazing job in terms of PR, in terms of marketing, since day one. And so that was one of the driving factors for me personally, that I really found it very inspiring that this lady is coming into our school and telling students, this is a qualification that is offering you so and so benefits. Go ahead and see what else it brings to you. However, my ACCA journey has not been a very easy one.
Okay.
It was very challenging. It took me about 8 years to complete. Normally, 3 to 4 years is a standard time for students to complete. But there were certain factors that resulted in the journey being so long. One of them being I did fail a couple of times. But did I take that failure as the stopping point? No, I did not. I pursued and I persisted. The other factor being that I had started working.
Okay.
And this is where another thing which is not typical or traditional about me. I did not take the typical articleship through the audit firm route, which most of the accounting students do.
Okay.
I started my career in corporate directly.
Okay.
And so while on these jobs, there was a lot of traveling that was required. There were other requirements. Because of them, in between for a couple of years, I was not able to even appear or prepare for exams. Not that I was not working with organizations that were ACC approved employer, one of them being Unilever Pakistan.
Okay.
They were. And I was enjoying a lot of benefits such as subscription fees reimburse हो जाती थी हर साल.
सही.
और उसके अलावा एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर मेरी जर्नी के अंदर ये रहा है कि for half of my journey, I did not work in a relevant finance or audit role. I started off with fraud risk management.
Okay.
And then the second role at Unilever was with compliance.
Okay.
I worked in different assurance roles, yes. But being an ACCA student, it allowed me the opportunity to explore all these other roles and not just stick to the stereotypical mindset कि आप सिर्फ फाइनेंस या ऑडिट में काम कर सकते हैं, आप और रोल्स में भी काम कर सकते हैं. बट एट दैट टाइम बैक इन द अर्ली 2011-12s, this was something which was very unheard of.
Okay.
So one of the things throughout my career that I would hear until I came to a relevant role was कि पता नहीं तुम्हें नौकरी relevant रोल में मिलेगी अब या नहीं मिलेगी, क्योंकि
या नौकरी मिलेगी या नहीं
हाँ,
मिलेगी।
तुम तो ऑडिट फर्म गई नहीं,
हाँ।
और तुमने तो फाइनेंस में काम किया नहीं,
Right.
तुमने तो रेलेवेंट ट्रेनिंग ली नहीं. But I'm a living example that I did land my first internal auditing role with Shan Foods as an
nice.
assistant manager.
Very nice.
And after that, that journey began. After that, I worked in development sector with Dr. Hers, which is the first telemedicine platform in Pakistan,
Very nice.
as their head of audit and compliance.
Excellent, mashallah.
And then one of the very important things about my journey that I would like to mention is कि एक ख्वाब हर बच्चे का या हर स्टूडेंट का होता है कि मैंने अपने करियर के पीक पे ये करना है.
Exactly.
मेरा ख्वाब ये था जब ACCA शुरू कर रही थी कि एक दिन किसी मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी का हेड ऑफ ऑडिट बनना है मैंने.
अच्छा, nice.
And right where around COVID, that opportunity came to me.
Oh.
And GSK Consumer Healthcare, which is now Helion, reached out to me on LinkedIn. And I got my first job as Chief Internal Auditor of a listed organization in Pakistan, which is also a multinational company.
And that happened in like COVID.
That happened in COVID while I was at home.
While people were losing jobs, she became the chief internal auditor. That's
Absolutely.
interesting.
So there are a lot of myths that I myself have, busted over the years. And I'm someone who is the anti-stereotype,
Okay.
if anything. And Alhamdulillah, because of ACCA, because of my persistence के member बनना है और अपना experience पूरा करना है, and all the support that I have had from ACCA offices in Pakistan, whether Karachi or Islamabad, I'm enjoying all of those perks. And right now, even in my current role, so the growth did not stop once I had reached my dream at a mere age of 32 years old.
Okay.
I wanted to pursue more challenging opportunities. So here I am in Islamabad with the top telecom in the country as their head of financial audits.
Fantastic. That's like inspirational, I would say. Definitely. I think for my students, that would be like very inspirational because that's what they ask. यार हम क्या करें, किस तरह आगे जाएं. अब I'll come back to you regarding that failure part जो आपने बोला क्योंकि वो बहुत सवाल आते हैं मेरी तरफ. So, खैर, coming to you, Zishan, again the same question. We had this debate कि आप क्यों आए ACCA में और why did you like pursue accountancy with ACCA? I'll ask you specifically. Okay, you chose ACCA. Then why did you opt for TMUC? Why not any other institute? Like, क्या आपने इसमें pros देखे? क्या आपको सही लगा इसके अंदर?
First of all, thank you for having me here.
No problem.
I'll come right to the question.
Yeah.
I started with SCANS School of Accountancy in Pindi.
Okay.
TMUC उस वक्त एक बिल्कुल पहला बैच स्टार्ट हो रहा था जब I heard of it. I was, I think in my fundamental papers, I started fundamental papers और foundation level मेरा clear हो चुका था तब तक. TMUC just with a friend I visited for just to see के किस तरह का campus है, what they have to offer.
And I believe I know your friend as well.
I think you do.
Yeah.
So I think when I set foot in the campus, I was like, this is the place I want to be.
Okay.
पहली चीज़ तो उसमें ये थी कि TMUC was offering a proper university like structure, ठीक है, जो कि ACCA या CA students को generally नहीं मिल रहा था. बहुत बड़ा एक challenge जो हमें face करना पड़ता है वो आपके exposure पे करना पड़ता है. Generally students don't get the required or relevant exposure जो उनके career के लिए required होता है.
सही.
So TMUC was offering all of that. That I think that sums it up.
Okay.
That's what I saw, and that's why I chose TMUC.
Okay, that's great. So, would you agree with this?
Absolutely. One of my life's mission actually is to change what student life or ACCA student life looks like. And
I think too bad Sir Faisal was like way ahead than her for that. Yeah.
In one of the recent ACCA events, the management was there, and I reached out to them and I said there only a handful of organizations like TMUC are actually offering that university college life. But why can you not make it a standard across और पाकिस्तान
होना चाहिए
कि ये मिनिमम है कि आपने एक कॉलेज लाइफ एक यूनिवर्सिटी लाइफ को मेंटेन रखना है, कुछ और एक्टिविटीज़ होनी चाहिए, एक स्ट्रक्चर होना चाहिए कॉलेज का कि जिस टाइम पे आई डिड माय ACCA आई वुड जस्ट गो टेक माय क्लासेस इन अ कोचिंग सेंटर टाइप सेटअप एंड देन जस्ट गो बैक होम.
That's what I went to and I said कि मैंने जिधर से स्टार्ट किया था, it was something similar. The teachers were nice, the faculty was amazing.
Yeah.
Like, and the problem was again with the infrastructure that they were offering.
Yeah.
So TMUC offered a much advanced infrastructure.
Exactly. That's. I guess I'll agree with this as well because I went through the same. Without naming the center, this was something like, ऊपर classes हो रही हैं, नीचे कढ़ाइयाँ बन रही हैं, and me being a foodie, I used to be like, oh, कब class खत्म होगी, मैं नीचे कब जाऊँगा. So yes, I think TMUC has pretty much covered that, like कि university environment होनी चाहिए and everything. So coming back to you, Mariam, आपने failure की बात की थी.
जी.
So I failed my exams as well, ठीक है. But what kept me going was not कि यार मैंने करना ही है. What kept me going was कि यार अब्बू को क्या बताऊंगा कि नहीं कर सका, ठीक है. But खैर eventually we did it, ठीक है. But what was your pull factor, your motivation कि यार आप क्यों बार बार bounce back करती थी? Like, because I see a lot of resilience from your side कि बस पास करना है पेपर.
Very early on, when I was a student only, one of my mentors actually told me कि ज़िंदगी में एक काम करना, किसी एक क्वालिफिकेशन को पकड़ना और उसे एंड तक के कंप्लीट करना, चाहे वो कोई भी क्वालिफिकेशन हो, चाहे वो बीकॉम भी क्यों ना हो कराची यूनिवर्सिटी से, मगर उसे मुकम्मल ज़रूर करना. क्योंकि बिकॉज व्हेन यू गो इनटू द प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट गुड कंपनीज डू लुक फॉर इज did you complete your qualification that you started off with, and it also shows a lot of persistence in your character. Are you committed to or loyal to something? So ये चीज़ तो माइंड में बैठी हुई थी कि को चाहे कितनी दफ़ा भी फेल होंगी, क्वालिफिकेशन कंप्लीट करनी ही करनी है. उसके अलावा ACCA qualification या प्रोफेशनल अकाउंटेंसी qualification की, it is a globally recognized body.
Yeah.
More
than 187 countries, I guess.
Exactly, around 190 countries approximately.
190, yeah.
So it opens the horizons, not just in Pakistan, but out of Pakistan. In Pakistan, there are about 390 approved employers.
Yeah.
So ये तो मेरे दिमाग में था कि इनमें से कोई एक तो मुझे ज़रूर नौकरी देगा. तो अगर मेंबर बन गई तो perks उसके साथ ज़्यादा add on होते जाएंगे. Naturally, if you are a member or if you're just an affiliate, the package that is offered to you, the benefits that come with it, the position that is offered to you, there is a difference in the market.
True, very true.
So this was one of the driving factors for me.
Yeah. So then you feel depressed or demotivated?
Absolutely. I was at that. I remember when I was working at Unilever was the time that I failed the most, and was the time when I even stopped attempting because I was traveling a lot as well.
Okay.
My work life was very tough. I had to travel to the Unilever factories for compliance audits and other projects, and I was not able to manage my studies. And even after that, so by the time that I left Unilever, I had become an affiliate, but until the first 6 years of my job, it was very difficult. I would take, I remember, crash courses, online courses for 10 days, 15 days, and then appear in the exam. Sometimes I would pass, sometimes I would fail, but I eventually passed. I believe personally for me, the driving force was that even though I am failing, but this is going to bring a lot of benefits back to me.
Okay.
So right now, this failure does not define me. I am not the only person who's failing. There are a lot of people who are failing, and I've always been very tech savvy. I would always check the numbers, how many countries, how many students appeared, how many of them passed. So I would not look at the high achievers or the gold medalist. I would look at the failure rate, and then I would realize I am not the only person in the boat. There are so many other students just like me who are failing, and maybe not around me, but who are failing and who are struggling. But right now, I am in the top multinational company. How many people can say that? And I'm enjoying a good career. So I have to balance it. So I will keep on trying until I make it. Until then, जो अल्लाह की मर्जी है. And I did make it eventually.
So let's sum it up like कि आपने positive side देखा, आपने far side किया, और आपने जो basically जो आपकी journey में आपको जो setbacks लगे, I would say, उससे आपने उसको allow किया कि वो आपको like demotivate करें. Okay. So Zishan, आपने भी papers दिए, आप भी fail हुए, I'm sure, ठीक है. So अब जिस तरह मैं आपको बताऊं, when I failed my first paper right at the very start, उस पर CAT होता था, T1 होता था. I failed my exam and I went to my father. I was like, गलती हो गई है, डॉक्टर बनना है यार. And my driving force was something that he said at that time, कि आज यहाँ से भागे ना तो कल को बहुत सी जगहों से भागोगे. So that's something that kept me going.
Agreed.
On a very serious note. So how did you manage? Like आपको क्या motivation मिली इसमें? Any incident, any like क्या feel करते थे जब fail होते थे? क्या push करता था आपको क्या?
For me, ACCA was a fresh start.
Okay.
Okay, I started ACCA by mistake. Okay. I wasn't meant to do ACCA.
Okay,
I
that's
started
interesting.
it as a mistake.
Okay.
Or I had nowhere else to go.
So would you mind telling us what was that mistake actually like? क्या CA करना चाहते थे
नहीं
ACCA में आगे?
CA ACCA की बात नहीं है. I didn't know what ACCA was.
Okay.
I just ended up in ACCA.
So you just wanted to explore what ACCA is?
Exactly.
Okay.
Or I just ended up there. A friend of mine recommended कि यार let's start ACCA. Okay, sure. Let's do it. That's how I ended up in ACCA.
Okay.
I had nowhere else to go, and I had to prove myself.
Okay.
Right? I knew that I had to make sure that I complete the qualification no matter what. There were a lot of negative energies around me. About the motivational speeches मैंने सुनी कि you won't be able to complete it. It's very difficult.
Oh yes.
It's not that easy.
किताबें आसमान से आई हैं कि पता नहीं क्या
exactly.
चक्कर होता है. Maths बहुत है इसके अंदर. Yeah.
बहुत सारी issues
Yeah.
थे, बहुत सारी negative aspects
Yeah.
को highlight किया जाता था. लेकिन once I had started the qualification, my only goal was कि I have to complete this no matter what, and that's what I stuck to.
So basically again the positive side of the thing कि आपने positive पे सोचा.
You have to remain
Yeah.
focused on what
Absolutely.
you're trying to achieve.
Absolutely.
सही जिंदाबाद. Excellent. So अगर positive side की तरफ बात की जाए तो जब मैं positivity का सोचता हूँ तो मेरे दिमाग में तनख्वाह आती है. So how would you like address this issue? जो हमारे students हैं ना, they want to be at the top from the very front. कि ACCA पास किया 10 लाख की नौकरी मिल गई and that's it. So I always tell them कि you always climb the ladder from the bottom. Like do you guys agree?
Definitely.
So I am sure you guys had to face the same thing like जब आपने start किया होगा. So what advice would you guys give to the students कि क्या सोचना चाहिए उनको when they complete their ACCA, when they become an affiliate? तो क्या उनके दिमाग में होना चाहिए कि यार अच्छा आगे मैंने ये करना है या ये मुझे फेस करना पड़ेगा या मुझे एकदम से 10 लाख की नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी? क्या अप्रोच होना चाहिए?
I would say कि 10 लाख की नौकरी तो बहुत later on मिलती है. Start में बिल्कुल नहीं मिलती.
खैर मैं नहीं पहुंचा अभी तक.
इंशाल्लाह.
इंशाल्लाह.
Soon enough.
Yeah.
लेकिन the main problem is कि everyone's looking for shortcuts. There are no shortcuts in life.
Yeah.
Okay. You start from scratch. जो आपने पढ़ा है और what you're actually doing in real life, they're two different things.
Yeah.
आपने
True.
चले knowledge तो है आपके पास, लेकिन you need skill, right? You need skill to survive. You need
Yeah.
skill to grow.
Yeah.
Without skill, you're nothing.
True.
Okay?
True.
So what I would suggest to students or aspiring members is कि focus on skills, join an organization, even if they pay you a stipend. Right? Just work for that stipend. You're not in this right now for money. Money automatically will come.
So initially money is not important. Your skills are actually.
You need to learn. You need to focus on learning skills. You need to focus on finding a good mentor.
Sorry.
Right? Mentors are very important.
Very true. Very true. So Mariam, what would you say about it?
Can we take a little break?
Yeah.
Can we just take a little break? ये थोड़ा सा on हो सकता है?
क्या चीज़? So Mariam, coming back to you, आपने कहा कि आपने बहुत fail किए exams अपने tenure में और ACCA में. So my question is कि ठीक है, failure हर कोई करता है, हर कोई fail होता है. मैं भी fail हुआ था. I'll agree. So what kept you going? What was the motivation behind that?
एक तो ये था कि हमेशा से when I was a young child, I always had this ambition or like a dream कि ज़िंदगी में कुछ बनना है, कुछ करके दिखाना है. और जब even O levels में भी I pursued accounting, I remember on my day 1 of O1, I was the only child standing outside my classroom when the principal called out कि सारे accounting commerce के जो students हैं वो please come out and we'll direct you to a different room. And I was the only student
For accountancy.
for accountancy and commerce or business studies subjects. Only after year 1 when some of the people started failing and they realized कि उनसे science subjects नहीं हो रहे हैं, they moved. But that for me, that day was a defining moment in my, I would say my academic or my professional journey. And even after that in ACCA, there were times जब मुझे evening classes लेनी पड़ती थी कुछ, क्योंकि कुछ teachers किसी campus में अच्छे होते थे, कुछ teachers किसी campus में, हमने पहले भी बात की कि वो एक है scenario. I would be the only female in a class full of males रात को, and naturally my family would have to accommodate. So when failures came along, I realized I have invested a lot of my effort as a female in this country to pursue this qualification.
Okay.
So now that I'm failing it, it's okay. I'm not the only person who's failing it.
True.
There are a lot of other people in this boat with me. So instead of looking at, usually हम हमेशा high achievers को देखते हैं, या अभी LinkedIn पे भी हमेशा high achievers के नाम आ रहे होते हैं, उनके scores आ रहे होते हैं. I would always go and check कि कितनी countries में कितने students ने they appeared, and these lists are available on ACCA website.
Yeah, definitely.
How many? What was the failure rate? Which kind of gave me a little bit of, sahara, ke I'm not the only one. Other people are failing these exams.
Right.
And I had very valid reasons. My job was very demanding at that time. I was traveling back and forth. I was working with the ACCA approved employer. And as I said earlier, I was enjoying a lot of perks. I was in a non-finance domain, a function, but because it was an approved employer, I was able to claim that experience as well later on when I was becoming a member. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली बीच में 1-2 साल का गैप आया. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं डीमोटिवेट नहीं हुई, मैं बिल्कुल डीमोटिवेट हुई. और मेरे साथ के बहुत सारे बैचमेट्स थे हु देन स्टार्टेड परसुइंग MBA. बट अगेन मेरे लिए मेरी ज़िंदगी के अंदर एक चीज़ बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट थी, एज आई सेड अर्लियर. एक चीज़ अगर शुरू की है तो उसे एंड तक लेके जाना है और उसे ख़त्म करना है, और उसको छोड़ना नहीं है.
देन पाया तकमील तक लेके जाना है.
एब्सोल्युटली. आपकी जो मेहनत है, जो शुरू में आपने उसमें इन्वेस्ट की है, वो फिर सारी रायगां जाती है.
एग्जैक्टली. मतलब वो आप फिर इतनी एफर्ट कर ही क्यों रहे हैं अगर आपने इसको ख़त्म ही नहीं करना बेसिकली.
एब्सोल्युटली.
और पास्ट में हमने देखा है कि ये प्रैक्टिसेस रही हैं, लोग क्वालिफिकेशंस पूरी नहीं करते. हालांकि ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द स्टोरी अगर आप इसको पूरी करें विद योर एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत बेनिफिट्स हैं. लाइक आई वुड से उससे कहीं ज़्यादा बेनिफिट्स आपको मिल सकते हैं जो आप एक पार्ट क्वालिफिकेशन करके दे सकते हैं.
एब्सोल्युटली.
सो खैर इसको आगे लेके चलते हैं अभी, क्योंकि फेलियर की बात हो रही है. सो यू बीइंग अ सीनियर मेंबर, यू बीइंग अ रीसेंट मेंबर, आप क्या लाइक हमारे बच्चों को सजेस्ट करेंगे कि क्या स्टडी रिसोर्सेज वो फॉलो करें टू कंटिन्यू विद देयर ACCA जर्नी, और इवन इफ समवन इज स्टार्टिंग देयर ACCA जर्नी नाउ?
I think personally for me, ACCA के recorded webinars,
okay.
They helped me a lot.
True.
उसमें हर एग्ज़ाम से पहले आई थिंक couple of days before your exam, ACCA की आपको ईमेल आती थी, इसमें सारे लिंक्स आ जाते थे, and those webinars were amazing.
Okay.
They were for about I think a 40-hour webinar, like over a couple of days. लेकिन they pretty much covered everything.
That's right.
और personally for me they played a huge part in me becoming an affiliate or me clearing my exams.
Excellent.
So definitely I'd say that anyone who's struggling to pass their exams should go and have a look at those webinars.
Okay.
They will help them tremendously.
So it's webinars for Zishan, and what for you?
So a lot of resources. ACCA की website के ऊपर ही there are so many resources for every exam, every aspect of every exam. It is there. So you just need to go and explore the resources available with ACCA library. Then if you are someone who's working and you are managing your exams side by side, one of the things that really helped me, which is free of cost to this date, is opentuition.com.
Okay.
And they have free resources, they have lectures, they have notes. I would use that. I would listen to the lectures. I would prepare, and very user friendly. उसके अलावा ACCA के अपने जो approved education और learning providers हैं, for example BPP, their materials are extremely helpful.
And very thorough, I would say.
Exactly. Even if you are not attending a course, you can just buy those materials, buy their exam kits. They also have short quizzes and stuff like that, pocket notes, which you can just maybe carry with you during your lunch hour at work or on your way back home, in case you don't drive. You can, just kind of keep on revising them every now and then. इसके अलावा there are other learning providers like including BPP who also offer certain short-term courses that are available, that you can buy for a mere amount, maybe 50 pounds, 60 pounds or 70 pounds.
LSBF is one of them, if I'm not wrong. Yeah.
So you can buy them. They are in your cart for about a year. Even if you fail the exam, you can go back, you can use those materials. I did that for one of the exams that I took, which I also passed in that attempt. But just letting all the people who are working and are also future aspiring ACCA members के resources बहुत सारे online available हैं. इसके अलावा पाकिस्तानी हमारे ACCA के बहुत सारे teachers हैं from TMUC and from other schools in Karachi, in Lahore, in Faisalabad who have their Facebook pages, YouTube pages जहाँ पे वो बहुत सारे videos post करते हैं different exams और different subjects को लेके. There is so much material available online now that you cannot say that I do not have the luxury to find a class or I cannot pay or I cannot afford. Free of cost.
Yeah.
So it's all about how tech savvy you are and कितने persistent और dedicated आप हैं
कि कितना आपको knowledge है basically.
Definitely.
Plus I think इससे आपको flexibility बहुत offer होगा.
Absolutely.
Like she said कि she was working. It was a similar case for me as well. While working, you find it difficult to take the time out to study, especially attend a class or something. So ये remote learning से आपके online session से you can attend the session wherever you are, whenever you can, or at your own convenience.
Absolutely.
So the flexibility is
you decide your hours.
Achha, this is something that you guys did. So what do you guys think about the ACCA Study Hub? We recently introduced the Study Hub. Do you guys know about it?
I do have an idea, but because now as a professional member, my focus is more on the CPD requirement.
Acha, yes, that's very important. So how would you comment on that, like CPD?
So I think in the past year, ACCA has done an amazing job. They have a financial audit and financial reporting adeptness series that is going on. और उसका I think अब 17th, 18th session अब हो रहा है. And they have people coming in from EY, from KPMG, from corporates, from government even, who are speaking about different subjects, including climate and sustainability, new IFRS standards, other IFRS requirements, auditing requirements, internal auditing requirements, a plethora of subjects that they're talking about. So, and it is free of cost. सो अब वो वाली चीज़ तो ख़त्म हो गई कि आपने अगर CPD रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी करनी है अपनी एनुअल मेंबरशिप के लिए तो आपने पे करेंगे, ट्रेनिंग लेंगे तो ही आपकी वो रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी होगी. These sessions are recorded. ACCA has shared a Google Drive link to the decks. You can easily go access these sessions, look at the recordings, understand them, and then go and submit your CPD requirement. One session completes one CPD requirement. An annual requirement is 50 CPD hours. So I would say that अब इतना ACCA ने आसान कर दिया है हमारे लिए, depending on what country you are in, कि there are so many training resources available. इसके अलावा एक और चीज़ जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है ACCA की, flexibility. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप ACCA के ही ट्रेनिंग सेशंस जो कि वो ऑफर कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज सम ऑफ देम आर एक्सट्रीमली एक्सपेंसिव इन पाउंड स्टर्लिंग दैट आर अवेलेबल ऑन देयर वेबसाइट. Even if other bodies in Pakistan, for example, ICAP is offering certain sessions that fulfill, because they always write that it will fulfill your 2 CPD hour requirement or 1.5 CPD hour requirement. You can also go back and claim that. If your own organization is holding a training session and the organization has a qualified accountant as a trainer, and they say that yes, this does cover your CPD requirement, you can claim that as well. So I would say that now it has become very easy for me as a member to complete CPD requirements.
So coming back to you, Zishan, so one final question from you. Where do you see yourself in the next 10 years?
That's a really interesting question. Or this is a question I usually ask candidates in an interview as well. Okay, this defines actually what your aspirations are, or what you're trying to achieve in life. So personally for me, I've alhamdulillah achieved a lot, or it's been onwards and upwards every step of the way. Like in the next 10 years, even though they're uncertain के क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, जो कि I think सबके साथ हो ही रहा होता है. I would like to say कि अभी I'm heading a multinational UK based accountancy firm.
Mashallah.
इसको I'm trying to grow as much as I can. Or the next step is moving it from the UK to multiple other countries as well. So next 10
Excellent.
years,
Fantastic.
inshallah, we'll be looking at a few of the markets, a few of the industries as well. We're focused on outsourcing at the moment. So just we're providing complete finance functions to various organizations, various companies, small companies, big, large companies, everyone. So usme there's a lot of room for improvement, and that's what we're focused on. So, and for me, opening new markets, opening new segments to the same business, and generating new revenue streams for the business, that's what I'm focused on, and that's what inshallah I'm going to do.
Fantastic. I pray that you achieve all your
Thank
goals.
you.
That's all I can say for you. So, Mariam, one final question from you. Ek to, one is, it's a mixture of like both. Why is CPD important? One. And why do corporates hire ACCA member? How would you sum it up?
So as I said about CPD पहले के इस पे बड़ा प्रेशर रहा है मेंबर्स के ऊपर के साल के 50 घंटे हमने पूरे करने हैं. It is important because one of the things that ACCA guarantees to the employers, and this is linked with your second question, is that when you hire a ACCA member, rest assured this person is trained to deal with a plethora of multicultural, cross borders, multilingual teams working in different markets, because we have trained them to deal with challenging situations, complex situations, while they were a student with us, without any other practical training. And then comes the practical training, PER requirement, which in itself is very extensive. So वो जो 3 साल की requirement है, उसके अंदर भी member के लिए certain requirements होती हैं कि उन्होंने जहाँ भी वो काम कर रहे हैं approved employer के पास, और approved employer की भी जिम्मेदारी होती है that they ensure that this member is trained, this student is trained accordingly to become a member at some point.
Yeah.
So इसलिए CPD बहुत ज़रूरी है members के लिए to keep themselves abreast and updated to what's happening in the global accounting paradigm, what's happening in the global sustainability, investor markets, you know,
And
finance.
hence the corporates preferring ACCA members.
Paradigm,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
So if the members, they do not keep themselves updated, and it's just like doctors or lawyers or, you know, any other professionals, if you do not keep yourselves updated as to what is happening in the industry on a more holistic, on a more global level, number one, you can never grow in your career. Number two, organizations will not prefer talent which is not dynamic. इसलिए CPD बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि आप ये ट्रेनिंग सेशंस करें साल में पूरे, and you can spread them across the year. One good thing is when you work with a ACCA approved employer, they will ensure that there is a training program, because उनके membership की ACCA के साथ ये requirement है that they have to ensure that all the ACCA members who are with them have a personal development program which includes completion of CPD.
Okay.
So I hope that answers the first question. And second question, why organizations would want to hire ACCA? The first answer being this: organizations have this comfort that when we hire a ACCA in comparison to any other student from any other academic body, we know that a professional is coming our way. So this person is going to be ready on day one. Because they've already completed their 3-year PR requirement, whether in some audit firm or in a corporate setting or in a bank. So on day one, they are touch and go. They will not need to invest a lot of time in training this person, number one. Number two, the materials that they study and then eventually pass their exams with is extremely innovative.
Yeah.
Right now, the world is about digital transformation, and ACCA has incorporated all of that digital material technology as part of the studying and examination process.
Yeah.
So by the time the student becomes an affiliate, he or she is already, you know, tech savvy, and they already know their way around.
Yeah.
So organizations would definitely prefer to hire a ACCA affiliate or a ACCA member, because they know that they don't have to again train them on how to, you know, use basic technology.
So basically, they're not raw; they're ready to go.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So
sum it up, yeah.
this is one of the biggest, and for students again, I would encourage them कि एक पुराना myth होता था कि आपने सिर्फ फाइनेंस या ऑडिट के रोल्स में काम करना है. अब it's a plethora of roles. ACCA provides you that flexibility that you can work in multiple assurance roles. I have worked in compliance, I have worked in risk management, I have worked in non-finance roles, and then I have ended up still in a leadership position in internal audit.
Yeah.
And even my current position. So if I am a living example of this. So there are so many other people that I know who started off their careers with non-finance or non-relevant roles, but they did end up, in a relevant role.
Yeah.
Why? Because again, organizations do not want people coming from stereotypical, career path. They want dynamic and diverse people.
Yeah, they want multitasking.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So once I have worked, like Zishan said that he started with one organization and he stayed with, but I have worked with 6 organizations, 6 different roles. And having nothing against people working in the same organization and then building themselves up, having nothing against that. But one reality post-COVID is that typical 9 to 5 has now been completely vanished.
Yeah.
Project-based opportunities aa rahi hain. 6 months, 9 months की opportunities aa rahi hain. I would highly encourage students not to fixate themselves on कि हमने 9 to 5 और एक MNC में काम करना है.
Flexibility की तरफ.
If it's an approved ACCA employer, and they are offering you, maybe a short-term project or a short-term program, go ahead, go for it. And please don't restrict yourself कि मैंने सिर्फ finance, tax या audit में काम करना है. Explore other opportunities.
True.
And you might never know where you end up.
I'll definitely agree. So with this, we come to the end of our podcast. Thank you, Zishan. Thank you, Mariam, for your time. I know आपके बहुत busy schedules हैं, लेकिन we being an accountant or especially an ACCA accountant, it's our duty to give back to the community and give back to the qualification. जिसकी वजह से जो आज हैं वो I guess it's all because of ACCA.
Absolutely.
So thank you for your time. Thank you for your time, Zishan. And I hope to see you guys again at TMUC.
Inshallah.
So guys, this is it. This is the end of our podcast today. Before I leave, I would like to highlight something that's very important for every accountant. Mark the date, 1st May 2024, the deadline for paying your annual subscription. In order to be an active member, an active affiliate, do not forget that. I repeat, do not forget that, because that's very important. If you want to take the benefits that ACCA has to offer. So this is Assam Iftikhar signing off from today's podcast. Thank you.